Welcome to Graphic Vision. If you have not subscribed to this channel, so quickly click on the subscribe button. Today, we will make logo in Illustrator. Now press Ctrl R. This will activate ruler guide. Now drag the guide from the ruler area and place it on center of the artboard. Then drag some more guidelines and place it horizontally and do the same for vertical guides. Using these guides, we will create our logo. Now right-click on the artboard and you will see this pop up. Then go to the lock guide and click on it. So, it will lock these guides. You can see that now we can't move these guides. After this, select stroke and give it value of 6. Now click on the pen tool option, then make a shape like I am doing. This shape will become alphabet D. Then create another shape inside this shape. It will be our alphabet G. Now do some adjustments in it. You can see that it will appear in the shape of G or D. After that, increase the stroke weight for these shapes. Go to Stroke panel and click on it. Now select the round cap option and round join option. Give some more stroke to this logo. Now select both shape and go to eyedropper tool. Then pick the stroke color from it. Now make some adjustments. After that, add graphic design text beneath the logo. Our graphic design logo is ready. I hope you like this video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.
At least it was